Stage Company in Raleigh, North Carolina. And today we need a suggestion of the last thing we returned from a store, online or in person. Shout it out.
Belt.
Small Heelys.
Dress, belt, small heelys.
I, one night went to a dance, my school dance, and there's like my close friends I talked to, but then there's two other people I talked to. Didn't realize until after the dance they were wearing the same exact dress. I have the worst attention span with stuff like that. It's a problem.
One time I forgot my best friend's birthday. Funny story. I was like going into school and she was like, "Hey, it's like my day," and I was like, "What? What are you talking about?" And I was like, "It's Tuesday. It's not your birthday."
Alright, so I never really learned how to ride a bike because I was really afraid of falling, and my parents just never really, they gave up eventually because I just was too scared about it. And so now I have no idea how to ride a bike or anything.
The idea of learning how to ride your bike on a tennis court is the stupidest thing imaginable. You are riding in between a net where you can hit your face on the pole.
One time I was riding my bike and I just like crashed, like in a really weird like bush thing, and it wasn't fun, but what I've learned is stick to training wheels. Honestly.
So I may or may not have split my jeans while getting ready for this show. These are my mother's, thank you. So I came straight from another performance, I was putting them on, the little dance hand, crack-a-doodle-doo. They broke. And so this is from a jacket for a belt. So that's how great I feel right now, that I'm wearing. It's not matching anybody else at all. But hey.
The dress code was blue.
Yo, no. Hey, roll those jeans.
It's incredible. It's truly a wonder that our neighbor can walk his dog 5 times a day, and you can't even walk Fluffy 2 times! 2 times, Dylan. I asked you 2 times to walk Fluffy.
Okay, Katrina, you know Fluffy and me don't have the best relationship.
Do it like a teen drama.
But at least you can, like, try to have a good relationship for me, Dylan. I mean, you're my boyfriend, okay? Don't you want to be there for me?
Katrina,
Break down the song.
Katrina, I hate Fluffy, I hate your dog so much.
But Fluffy loves you, Dylan, Fluffy loves you.
I don't believe you.
Don't you see? Fluffy's right there. He is looking at you, and he's wondering if you'll love him, because this is a choice that you have to make.
Please love me. Love me.
Fluffy.
I just want to be loved.
Fluffy, cut it! Listen, I know this is some weird, messed up plan to get us. Stop! I'm talking, Katrina. To get us broken up so you can slide in. But let me tell you, me and Katrina aren't going anywhere. In fact, I think it's you who's going somewhere. You know.
Wait a second. No. Fluffy isn't the problem here. The problem is you're not walking Fluffy. If you want to be in this relationship, you're going to have to walk my dog.
Why can't you walk, Fluffy?
That's a different issue. I don't want to.
All right. So I know 16, 18, you're registered to vote, but the voter registration, it's gotten a little different since when your parents probably registered. So I'm gonna see the list. Thank you, Sarah. First thing on the list, I'm gonna need you to tell me a riddle. Every word in the riddle.
You don't look prepared for this.
Yeah, sir.
Well, I have a social security card.
What would you need that for?
Yeah. Voter registration is a lot different. I mean, again, riddle. I'm gonna need to tell you. You're gonna tell me a riddle. Every word in the riddle needs to start with what letter you feeling?
P.
P.
Praise
Prometheus. Perchance partridges very poorly.
Okay, that'll do for now.
That'll do. Yeah,
Perusing.
save it. Step one. Step two, voter registration. Do you think that you can do a dance for me? Give me a subject word for an interpretive dance. Just any word out there.
Mixers.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I just don't think that's enough. That's just looking very.
See, Gerald over here who's in line, he would really well.
See, we want someone who makes like sharp decisions because like libertarians aren't allowed anymore. So sharp decisions, left, right.
Yeah. I'm sharp. I'm making
Okay,
decisions sharply.
sir, I don't think you're taking the voter registration seriously because as an American citizen, this is one of your jobs. And if you weren't prepared for this, are you really taking our country seriously?
There are 50 stars on the American flag and 13 stripes, and the 15th president was James Buchanan. And,
So none of that information is what we're interested in.
Like high school history class shouldn't prepare you to register to vote. That's crazy.
Have you ever learned to do a mixer dance?
I think I am right now.
He's an innovator, and he's a quick learner, and I think that might be able to do.
Yeah? Let's just see how he signs the board.
Yeah.
Do you know calligraphy?
I love you. Look, man, this. Look.
They're at
Like
the
a
Zaxby's.
Yeah.
I said I love you, man. Look, nobody is so political at this time to be loving another man, but I'll be loving you to the day I die. When I walked into this Zaxby's, I expected you to serve me my chicken. I did not expect you to come at me in this fashion. As I was frying the chicken, I realized that I made discoveries of myself similar to the gold rush that was happening during this time. But it was more of an inner discovery that brought me just as much gold. Spiritual gold. It's that I learned how to love.
Sir, that's a very touching story, but I feel like I need to know someone a little bit before they come at me with proclamations of love. You see, I'm just that type of person. The gold rush for me, just that metaphor, it's not really working for me. Okay?
Love me, or let's duel.
Look, sir, this doesn't have to be like that.
I see no other way to deal with this situation. You want to do 10 paces or take turns?
I'd rather just get my 10-piece right now.
I personally feel that the only way to deal with this is either we come out as one person, only one person comes out.
Dust.
All right.
Referee?
Johnson, are you doing another love duel?
Why, yes, I am, and this time it's for real. I'm not going to back out this time.
Help me out here.
I'm sorry, when Johnson gets into one of his moods, we gotta do a love duel.
I just want my food.
I understand, that's what the last 7 have said.
Man, the Hamilton revival really sucks. I don't like it.
I know, like, where even is Hamilton?
I don't know. Surprise! Happy funeral day!
Mom!
I'm so sorry. We all cope differently. jokes, he copes with pies.
I'm an emotional eater.
You cope with crying. Which is okay. It's not the typical. But it works. It works.
I don't see how this is helping us.
Well, after all, it was just Grandpa. It wasn't one of us.
You guys are gonna die?
No. Well, yeah.
Yeah. What? But we've got like 40 years.
You know what? You haven't been watching your cholesterol lately.
30 years.
30 to 35.
30 years.
Let's call it even go 37.
Yeah, I like that. 37 years. Look, that's more than enough time. You had so much time with Grandpa. And look, I know you're gonna miss him.
Switch.
You're gonna miss him, but he didn't really love you guys.
But surprise! No, he actually didn't love you guys. I don't know. He was a very wicked man. Very horrendous man.
So, how was he a bad man? He bought us sweaters all the time. He took us to the place.
I love you guys, and I got you this sweater. Don't ask how I got it, but I got it for you.
Look, Samantha, mine says I hope you die in a fire.
It's really nice.
Oh my god.
It's like
Is this cashmere?
It's cashmere, I think.
This just in, there's been a serial shaver going into people's homes and shaving their entire bodies. What are his motives? Where is he? And why?
I don't want to go. I want to stay right here. Don't want to go for the job interview.
Do it like a bad side of the movie.
Listen, Johnson.
I've heard all my life. What am I supposed to do? I don't know aliens.
If you want to get around in this new galaxy society that people are trying to establish, because this is some really poor metaphor for big government or something, you gotta fight for it. You gotta fight to survive. Because everyone else, they're just fighting to survive. The government doesn't care about you. They're just trying to make themselves bigger and more spacey and other space words, alright?
Johnson, get out of there quick. He has, I don't know what he has, but he has some things.
He's telling me bad things about the government. Mr. Government, can you prove him wrong?
No.
I'm confused. I'm having very conflicting views thrown at me. One of reason and logic, and the other one said no. This will be my whole arc, the whole movie.
This is going to be very unsatisfying.
Think we'll get any spaceships in this movie, or do you think it'll all take place in this weird warehouse? Vaguely sci-fi.
The rest, after this scene, it's just going to be an interview.
Silly writers.
I don't know who I am or what I'm doing.
You sound like a poorly established character. That's just it for one plot device.
I'm Kristen Stewart, and I'm in this sci-fi movie because I'm really good at sci-fi movies.
You
I
sound
shake
like the
my head.
budget.
Yeah.
That's where all the budget went. Dang it. C-list actor? C-list actor.
You know it. Just hack the mainframe already. Just get to the climax of the movie.
Wait, I still haven't decided which side I want to be on. Stop hacking. Let me make up my mind.
No.
Like both said, it seems like both sides have valid points, and we should hear everyone.
Yeah, so like my main point of the movie was just to like confuse the audience.
I really have a lot, to be honest.
Sir, what was up with the weird baby skulls? Were they real babies?
Yeah, they were my own children.
Honestly, I think it was just an artistic idea. And I think we should all appreciate artistic artists like this man.
I like this guy. This guy is right.
A lot of critics are saying that you did absolutely no work with this movie, and it was just a copy of Star Wars, the Galaxy remake.
I want to know who said that, and I want the name of their children.
Some people are saying that it's a lot more like Star Trek. What do you have to say?
I don't know what Star Trek is. I've never seen Star Trek.
Some people are saying the movie's bad.
I do agree with that statement.
Ow.
You decided to show up.
Bob, the club meeting is over. You missed it. We've already made the decorations for knitting club for the party next Tuesday, and you're not. You missed it. There's nothing to be done. You can't just show up here. We were counting on you.
Well, I'm here now.
Bob, that doesn't really count, does it?
No, it doesn't count.
It doesn't count.
Well, I will check my name on the attendance.
No,
sheet
Bob. You do that every time. You're always late.
Yeah, we can't keep making excuses for you.
Do it like a Western.
We can't keep making excuses for you, Bob.
The Saloon Club is a very elite club, and if you don't want to be in it, you should just say it now.
I don't want to be in it.
Bob, don't say that. Boss is here.
Yeah, don't say it.
I mean, it looks great on college resumes, but
It's not just for college resumes, Bob.
You have to be passionate about this.
so I just don't think I agree with your whole business idea of a knitting saloon.
Bob, you're either with us.
I've been hearing someone talk crap about my
Hey, boss!
new club. I've been hearing rumors spread that one of you three aren't a fan of my idea. And I'm seeing fingers pointed at one person. So I have a pretty clear idea.
Oh my god, what a coincidence that you're here. So, I was just finishing cleaning up our knitting meeting, and it was really great, and we got a lot of things done, like,
Do you consider me a fool? Some yellow-bellied cow that won't stand up for what I believe in? Do you consider me as such?
a little bit?
I can't stand here words such as that roam around like that.
Then leave.
What? Are you gonna let him talk to you like that?
I mean,
I don't know what else to
right
do.
now.
You're the boss here. You,
Am I supposed to duel him?
Yes,
yeah.
Do you love
I'm
it?
trying to-
Or what? No.
Do it like a psychological thriller.
You see the room is covered in blood. And they're sitting in a bathtub. They're sitting on the toilet. Blood literally everywhere.
It's creeping through the seams of the walls. What are those called at the top of the wall? Yeah, sure. Yeah.
What's it feel like?
It's really not very pleasant.
It's making a Lego Death Star.